Hello family, Sir here. Today we are going to do a versus video and I need your help with this video. Share with me your thoughts about these two properties and which one you would prefer. Stick around. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So if you're interested in any one of these things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you can be alerted for when we drop new videos. And we are providing content to you every single week. So if I'm being blunt with you, I get bored doing simple property tour videos. And I know some of you love them and we will continue to make those videos because I want everybody to see what Charlotte has available and what it offers in terms of real estate. But it does get kind of boring and it kind of lacks creativity if you ask me. But stick around because this one I'm going to switch it up a little bit and do a versus video so you can see what Charlotte has to offer in a similar price point. Now both of these properties will be under $400,000 and one is in the heart of Charlotte, closer to Uptown, and the other one is a little further away, not as close to Uptown, but still has certain amenities as well. Look at both of the properties and at the end of the video, tell me which one you prefer. I will share with you the exact prices of both properties at the end of the video. You might be surprised. Let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and look at the first home. It was built in 1955. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it's just under 1,500 square feet, and it sits on 0.3 acres. Let's go on inside. All right, let's go inside this first property. Again, this was built in 1955, but it has been renovated recently. When you first come in, you notice the hardwood floors, refinished. They look excellent. Then you have the updated kitchen with quartz countertops, which you don't see often. They did a really good job with this renovation. Now this property does come with the stainless steel appliances as well as a new HVAC system. This is your laundry area. And this might be my favorite part of this property. Little sunroom or sitting room. Vaulted ceilings. They did a really good job bringing this property back to life. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. Now let's stop at this first bathroom. This is the common bathroom that the guests use. You have a shower tub combination. Sink countertop matches the kitchen countertop. Now let's head into the owner's suite. And they also renovated this bathroom. They did a very good job. You have to remember that these older homes weren't built as big as these newer construction homes nowadays. So when you go in and renovate them, you have to work with the space you're given. And I think they did a very good job. Now let's go check out the other two secondary bedrooms. This is bedroom 2. And let's go look at bedroom number 3. All of the bedrooms are decent size, especially for an older home. You have to remember that when you buy in Windsor Park, you're buying for the location and the convenience, as well as the options and just variety it brings. All right, now let's look at the second home. The second home is in Charlotte as well, and it will be in the Vineyards on Lake Wylie. This community itself is gorgeous and has every amenity one can think of. It has a pool, tennis court, trails, and of course, Lake Wylie right at your disposal. But you're not as close to the social scene and the various cultural options that living in Windsor Park, the first home, affords you. Now, this home will be new construction and it will be available later this year, but it is for sale right now. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home, just over 2,500 square feet. Now, this isn't a model home, it's not nicely decorated, but I wanted you to see what this community offered you and what you can get for the price. All right, let's go on inside the second home. All right, now let's go inside. This is the Marion floor plan. I'm going to do a separate video on this particular property in and of itself, but I wanted to use it for this one as we compared two options here in the Charlotte area. Now this property is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 2,500 square feet. When you come in, you have that grand opening, grand entrance. You have this flex area. Now, as we walk around, remember, this is not the final product. It's not complete. This home has a basement. We're not going to look at the basement for purposes of this video because that will make this property go well above the price point we're looking at. So again, this property is not completed. You will see pieces of blue tape on the walls and on various surfaces. That's just letting the contractor know that, hey, this needs to be touched up. It needs to be looked at again so it can be brought to perfection. That's all part of the process when you're buying new construction, the different stages of getting a home ready for sale. As you see, the oven and microwave aren't in place yet, but you do have both of them sitting into the cabinetry. And then you will have a gas cooktop with a vent going outdoors, as you see right there. Now, depending on the topography, you will either have a deck or a cement patio slab off of the kitchen. Pantry area. Just another view of the formal dining area. Laundry room right off of the garage. And this is your half bath downstairs. And we're about to walk into the owner's suite. Go inside the owner's suite bathroom. The main difference to me between the two properties is just the sheer space that you are afforded with the newer construction. If space is a must, I say you might want to think about getting newer construction, because most older homes just don't come with this amount of space. Again, this property without the basement is 2,500 square feet. Now let's go ahead and go upstairs to look at these secondary bedrooms. You do have a loft area right here. You can choose to close this off and make this an additional bedroom to where you can have 3 bedrooms upstairs. This option gives you a porch off of a couple of the bedrooms and that loft. Looking down into the grand entrance. Linen closet. And these are your secondary bedrooms. All right, now let's go look, compare, and contrast between the two properties so I can get your feedback regarding them. So which one would you choose? The first home, which is the older home that was recently renovated, located in Windsor Park, or the second home, which is significantly bigger, but it is new construction and it is further from the city center? Maybe pricing might help you with your decision. What do you think the first home is priced at? Pause the video and leave your answer in the comment section below. The first home had an asking price of $365,000. Now, what do you think the second home is priced at? Again, pause the video real quick and type in your answer in the comment section. Well, this new construction home located in the Vineyards on Lake Wylie is priced right at $330,000, but after you add the upgrades that most people would add, the price will be right around $360,000 to $370,000. So which one would you choose and why? Please leave your answer in the comment section. I would love your feedback, and I hope you enjoyed this video as I switch it up a little bit just to provide you all with options of what you can get for the same amount of money in different areas of Charlotte. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.